Hey guys, we're here at 23738 Heartland Street here in West Hills. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just over 1,500 square feet. This one's listed at $749. This is actually the first week on the market. We're gonna be holding it open tomorrow from the hours of 3 to 7. So feel free to pop in and take a look at this beauty. Let's go on it. So as you step in, greeted by beautiful wood floors, nice open concept dining area. This is the first powder room as you walk into the front door. All the bathrooms have floating shelves. Very nice. Love the wooden design here. It kind of matches the flooring throughout the home. Let's go take a look at the rest of the home. So as we move into the dining area, you've got the quartz countertops here in the kitchen, complemented with stainless steel appliances. The recessed lighting really helps to glow this kitchen. So as you come into the dining area, you're complemented with a fireplace. You've got beautiful lighting for the centerpiece dining room. Great place for the family to get together and enjoy all the meals. Let's show you guys the rest of the house. We've actually got a bedroom here. We've got a bedroom behind you that's a nice size, and we've got the master. I'm gonna save a little bit for the open house tomorrow that you'll be coming to from 3 to 7. Let's pop into the master and show you what's happening. So this is the master bedroom. It's a great space. You've got a closet here behind us. You got a beautiful bathroom. I really love the master bathroom. It's got floating shelves. I love the rustic hardware. Really complements it nicely. And the backsplash from the shower. Just a great place to get ready in the mornings. Let me show you the other door that actually leads to the pool. Did you get some lemons off the fresh lemon tree? You've also got oranges here. These are not ripe yet. Very cool. So everyone, thanks for tuning in. I want to share this beautiful home with you. It's only been on the market now for 4 days, so we'll be holding our first open house tomorrow, the 25th. It's between the hours of 3 and 7. So stop on in. We'll have some refreshments. Look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.